Today we're going to be making a Minecraft video, make a new world, call it YouTube Survival Events, Infinite, yeah, okay, create, right, this should be fun, just gotta build, make an underground house. Sheep, sugarcane. Ain't there any trees? This is like the only. That's sad. Right. Break. Come on. Break. Gather up all this wood. Make a bigger house. First, we're gonna start off with a small little hut. Then I'll make a big old house. Alright, just probably build my house like over here. I'll keep you as my pet. Alright, let's craft some more planks. That, alright. Make my house like right here. Crafting table. I'll build an axe. Let's build a sapling, is that whatever they're called? Tree over there. Right. So, I'm gonna jump. Alright. Need to get that tree. Okay. And then what I'll do, if you guys, I'll have you guys name pets and stuff. Just leave it in the comments, and please comment and show other people about them. Subscribe. Should be okay. Alright, let's jump, swim. Chickens. And still need a sapling. There'd be a series of these videos too. Maybe it'll be like a daily video thing. Sapling, come out, sapling. Wait for them to drop. Hopefully, if they drop. Go ahead and build my house along with this. I'm gonna need a mini forest, basically. Oh, I should have made all those. I made my house over there, one second. See, an apple fell over there. Got this little break. I'm gonna make a house over on the grass, not on these plains. Right. It's like the only time I've ever wanted sorry if you hear background noise. Hate that. Right, let's see. If I see any roses, I'm gonna keep those. See, there's a lot of flowers over here. Gray sheep. Don't see no roses. I wonder if they're scarce. Okay, hurry up and do this. Alright, got some more wood. So I'll build, whoa. Oh, that's deep and dark. Don't want to go down there until I got some tools and stuff. Hey, is that roses over there? They roses? Are they roses? Are the roses? Oh, yep. I think they are. Let's see where they. They're called Poopy. Nope, not rose. Oh, two saplings. Excuse me. Alright, hurry up. Later on in the next episode, there shouldn't be no background noise. Sorry if you hear this. Build it like that big. 6, 5, 4. Alright. Get some cobblestone. There's like a purple flower. I don't know what I'll use that for, but some cobble. Let me make sure my Alright, that's 9 pieces. Alright, make a better pickaxe too, an axe. Alright, there's a black sheep. Here's a wool, white sheep. I need some shears, some iron. Oh, I can make a. Right, that. Oh, hey, enough. I'll put that right there and put a stone crew on the other side. Oh, I shouldn't have did that. Whatever. I need some shears and some Alright, see, do this. These videos are only like 20 minutes long, so, but they'll be like daily. Alright, come on. See this. Oh, whoa. Didn't even notice that. Alright, that's how many pieces? 4? I need some torches up in here. Can't see anything, man. Make these into planks and I'll cook them. Make some torches. Charcoal and then torches. Right? Let's go. Oh, it's already nighttime. I need to hurry up. Watch out. I'm in a rush. Rushing. Do like that. And then in her room. And then I don't know. And then cook this. Yeah, at least one piece and I'll cook all the other ones. Oh great. I got some cactuses. I'll use cactuses for like my security. I'll put them in front of my house. Alright, jump. Go up. More cactuses. Hurry up, it's already night. They're gonna start spawning. I didn't even make a sword or anything too. Alright. The googlies. Oh, I see one. Oh great, that's bad. Run.